Ciao a tutti, benvenuti al Facile come Italiano. Hello everybody, welcome to Easy as Italian. I'm Reza and today we've come with another episode of the series, the Italian prepositions, and today we want to check the preposition da. Well, you know it, it means from, it's among the top 3 hardest prepositions, Italian prepositions. You know them, di, a, da. We haven't checked any of them till now, but today we want to check da. It's not as hard as you may think, and it's not as easy as you may expect. So be ready for that. Just a little focus is enough to learn it completely, and when you see it a couple of times in a text, it would be perfect. So now I would bring you to the examples and the usages of this preposition, and you tap the subscribe button and also like the video to support me from the other side. Let's start. In the first, we have 4 usages that are related to places. The first one, I'm sure you know it. Do you remember how we used to say, for example, where I am from? We used to use the verb venire, to come, right? And then we used da, like vengo dall'Iran. I come from Iran, right? I'm from Iran. Vengo dall'Iran. Just like that. So it means from, and you already know it, and I'm sure you have used it before too. For example, I can say also lei è arrivata direttamente dall'aeroporto. Okay? She arrived direttamente, directly dall'aeroporto, from the airport. Okay? The second usage that is related to places is for when we want to say kind of at the place of someone. Okay? For example, I say siete da vostra nonna. Okay? Siete da vostra nonna. You're at your grandma's. Okay? You're at your grandmother's place. Okay? Pretty easy. Or it can also mean to, that is kind of similar to this one. For example, I say dobbiamo portare la torta da nonna again. Okay? Dobbiamo portare, we have to bring la torta, the cake, da nonna, to grandma. Okay? Now, you can here put other things than nonna. Just be careful when you are using the names or the pronouns of the kind of your family members, like nonna, nonno, okay? Or I don't know, padre, madre, fratello, sorella, okay? In the singular form, you don't need to use the article, but when it's anything other than those, then you need to put the article. Like, for example, I don't know, devo andare dal dottore. I have to go to the doctor. Devo andare, I have to go dal dottore, to the doctor. Okay, so here doctor, dottore, is not a family member, it's not a name, so we have to use the article before that. And now the last and the fourth usage that is related to places, we can translate it here kind of through. Okay, through. For example, I say passiamo dal centro per arrivare più presto. Okay, passiamo dal centro. Centro here means just city center. Okay, so passiamo dal centro, we pass through the city center per arrivare più presto, for arriving più presto, sooner. Okay, so we pass through the city center for arriving sooner. Okay, pretty easy till now. Let's continue, see the next usages. Here we are with 3 more usages, and they are all related to time. 2 of them are related to the durations in the past. Okay, in the first one, we translate da as since. Okay, for example, I say viviamo qui da 2004. Viviamo qui, we live here da since 2004, since 2004. Okay, it's a point of time. Now, for the second usage that is related to the durations in the past, we translate da as for. Okay, for example, I say again, viviamo qui da 18 anni. Viviamo qui, we live here da 18 anni, for 18 years. Okay, so here you have to be careful about the thing after da. If it's a kind of, how to say, just a duration, it's a time limit, okay, a close time limit, you translate it as for, like here, 18, okay, 18 anni. If it's a point in the time, then you translate it as since, like that part, 2004, okay? Now the third usage related to time is more related to the durations in the future. And here we translate da as beginning or from, okay? For example, I say, dal mese prossimo i miei esami cominceranno. Dal mese prossimo, from the next month or beginning the next month, i miei esami, my exams, cominceranno. Will start, okay? Will start, cominciare. So, as easy as that. Let's see the next usage. Now we are almost to the last usage. Here, we use da mostly to say the cause of something, and we mostly translate it as by or because of. For example, I say, tremavo dal freddo. Tremavo. I was trembling, I was shivering, okay? I was shivering. Dal freddo. Because of the coldness, okay? Because of the cold. I was shivering because of the cold. I was trembling kind of from the coldness. Something like that. Now, for example, I can again say, I danni sono causati dai bambini, okay? I danni, the damages, sono causati, are caused dai bambini, by the kids. The damages are caused by the kids, okay? Now, this is pretty simple. I just have a few tips to tell you, and that's finished. The first tip is when we want to use da to make some combinations, okay? We use da to make combinations. In the first one, we use it as the meaning designed for and make some combinations. For example, macchina da scrivere. Macchina da scrivere, it means typing machine. A machine designed for writing, typing, okay? Macchina da scrivere. Or we can say carta da parati. Carta da parati. Parati comes from designing and stuff, okay? So kinda carta da parati kinda means the paper of designing, the paper designed for designing the things. That just means the wallpaper we use, okay? Or for example, sala da ballo. Sala da ballo, ballroom, okay? A saloon designed for dances. As easy as that. Now let's see the second tip that is kinda like this one. In the second tip, we want to tell you another way to use da for making the combinations, okay? Here we use da as the meaning to, and we use the causes, okay? For example, I say qualcosa da bere. Qualcosa da bere, something to drink, okay? What is the cause of that thing? Okay, so we drink it. The cause is that. So qualcosa da bere, something to drink, or qualcosa da mangiare, just the same, something to eat, okay? Or I don't know, una macchina da riparare, a machine to repair, okay? A car to repair. What is the cause of the car? So we repair it, okay? So una macchina da riparare, a car to repair. And that's it. It's finished. It wasn't really hard. Really, it wasn't that hard, okay? I know some prepositions that I've taught you that could be harder even than this, like per, for example. I'm sure you have seen the video. Now, this was the thing about that. I hope you've liked it, and I hope you could have been using it. I wish you some luck in your exams if you still haven't finished them. And I will see you in the next couple of days. Have fun, my friends.